everyone. Welcome to IT Security Policies and Procedure. My name is Leela Rajabian and I'm the professor for this course. So in this course, we are actually going to talk about some of the IT security policies and procedures. We will cover some topics that are related to information security, and this course is actually required for the cybersecurity majors in the MSIT program. So if you are in web track, this course can be also your electives. So you're welcome to take this course as well. So some of the things that we will cover in this course will be about talking about the policies, about basically the cybersecurity policies, about the frameworks that are out there, the ISO 2007 and versus the NIST framework. We are also going to talk about risk management. Also, we are going to talk about asset management and loss prevention. We might be able to talk about human resource, physical, and environmental security, as well as we are going to talk about cybersecurity incidents response and business continuity management. So also, if the time allows us, we are going to talk about the privacy laws that are out there, and we will discuss about various laws that are in regards to HIPAA and the other acts that are out there as well. So if you're watching this, you are probably enrolled in this course. And so once you log in, you will see something like that. And so that's the welcome message and some of the course objectives. And also my video. This is the introductory video that we posted here. Normally, we have announcements. Anything that's important, I can put it under announcement each week. So it's good to look at the announcement sections. Also, we have the student cafe in case of me not being able to look at your work, or maybe I still didn't have a chance to look at the work. Maybe you can pose the question there so other students might be online and they can help you or they can answer your question. So it's always good to post something in a student cafe. I always read it, but I might not just be online at that time, so other students can answer that. You can always email me or call me. I check my emails all the time and I respond very quickly to emails. So we are going to look at the syllabi for this course, and we are going to go over it. So this is my information. As you can see, we can always, if you have any other problems that we need to maybe have an online session, we can always use the Blackboard Collaborate, Skype, Google Hangout, or Zoom, or any other method of communication, and we can share screens and do things like that. So that is always available for you guys. So this is the book, Developing Cybersecurity Programs and Policies. This is a very good book, and it is kind of I like it because it's actually a very new edition. So it's kind of has up-to-date material about some of the laws that the businesses that they have to deal with, or the healthcare organization that they have to deal with in terms of the security. We will also talk about some of the student learning objectives in this chapter. And also, we are going to, as you can see, some of the learning objectives are here. And student evaluation, the participation is worth 20%, written assignments are 40%, and of course, we will have a quiz, which is worth 10%. There is no final exam for this course. And also the integrated project, which is worth 30% of your grade at the end of the semester. So just remember, we are in 8-week sessions. So each module will be 2 weeks of material. So every 2 weeks, I will post the material. Normally, I will post the second module a little bit earlier because some students, they like to work on things quicker. And I will put that. So we will have in total of 4 modules, which consists of 8 weeks. This is about the grade and feedback. So final grades are basically based on the percentage scale, as you can see here. Sorry. So basically, the late work, everything is due normally on Sundays at 11:59 p.m. Sometimes you might just hand it in, sometimes by accident or intentionally you might submit it a few hours late, which is okay. I totally understand. If you submit it very late, it depends when in the semester. I will deduct points, normally 20 to 30%. It depends how late you turn things in. Always, if you have any problems that you cannot work on your assignments, please let me know. I try to work with you guys, but you guys let me know first and I will work with you guys. The accommodation for in terms of a disability, you can always reach the Office of Disability Services with the phone number that's listed there or with the email address. And there's of course a website out there that you can actually look at. Academic honesty, students basically they are expected to create original assignment, and it's important to follow that code of conduct. And also you need to make sure that you understand the grading guidelines for MSIT program, which is posted here. For the schedules, I posted some schedule here. So weekly schedule, basically this is based on the module. So we will have 4 modules. So we will cover 8 different parts. As you can see, your book consists of actually 16 chapters. So we are not going to be able to cover all that. So I will put what we are going to cover from this book. What are the important things? Because some of the materials we have covered them in computer security course already. So we're not going to talk about that. So I will update this and I will put it here what the schedule needs to be. Always something that's due, you can always look at on the calendar of the Moodle. So normally when we go here, we can click on the calendar and you can see what are the things that are due. Like right now, there is a discussion that's due here. I don't know why the assignments are not showing. I have to just check the assignment due dates. But all of them should be posted there. I think the reason is because this module is still hidden. But all the assignments are there. So let's look at the objectives and checklist. So in the objective and checklist, as you can see, it always shows you the 2 weeks of material. So this is the format for this course. In all the courses, you will see modules that have the objective and checklist, and also it will have the PowerPoint presentation and also the assignments listed there. So in here we have the chapters. So in this module we will cover 2 chapters. So chapter overview is there and what you're going to learn after reading the chapter. Also we will have you need to actually complete the introductory introduction of introducing yourself here. Okay, other things that we need to look at is the assignments here. So every week you have an assignment. So if it's 2 modules, you normally have 2 assignments and 1 discussion. Sometimes you might not have a discussion, and some modules they have discussions. So the assignment is listed here. For this course, I try to give you kind of a web project, because I want you guys to get used to researching, and also I want you guys to look at the updated materials that are out there. So for example, in this assignment, we are going to look at the HIPAA privacy law that's out there. So I give you a website of Department of Health and Human Resources, and you can look at it, and I want you guys to kind of write about your findings. And again, we have another project. So in this course, I try to give you mostly web projects, which is kind of up-to-date information, because in terms of a policy, laws, and things like that, things are changing. So it's important if you look at the website. Normally, they have the up-to-date material out there. And then for the discussion, normally we have a discussion that you can post your answer, and also a reply to your classmates is always necessary. So in this question is, in addition to Bible and U.S. Constitution, identify another written policy that had a profound effect on society across the globe. And this is a great discussion that I hope we can have here. So every module is kind of, the structure of every module is the same. So you can basically expect to see the same structure in all the modules. So the first module is up and running now. The rest of the modules are not. I will post the next module just at the end of this week, which will be next Friday. And so you will get more materials. So I will kind of encourage you to kind of stay up to date. And the reason for this is normally in our 16 weeks course, we still have sometimes, if you didn't submit something in 1 week, in next week you might be able to, but in 8 weeks the time flies. So I want you guys to kind of be up to date and work with me in this 8 weeks so we can have a great experience. Okay guys, thank you so much for listening to me and see you next lesson. Bye-bye.